Hey, it's Fuller Farm, and we've been testing out this incubator for the last 25 to 28 days. And we had our first duckling hatch, and we have one more that's still working on hatching. Just gonna lift this up and show you. Whoa! You can see this little duckling is pipped and already trying to open it up if I wouldn't move it around. It's almost hatched. This is the Magicfly Auto Egg Incubator. We started out with 6 duck eggs or Pekin eggs, and 4 of them did not make it. We had 2 left, so 1 already hatched, and we're down to just 1 more egg. You can see there it's probably going to hatch tonight. It pipped earlier this morning, which means it first broke through the shell. And we've been hearing it tweet in there all day. And hearing it tap on the outside of the egg, and it's slowly going around the outside so that it can hatch out. For 28 days the eggs sit in these little rows, and this automatically rolls the eggs back and forth. And then on day 25 you're supposed to then put them on the bottom. Basically it's got a little arm that turns and moves them back and forth like this. But now it's hatching time for this little guy or gal.